Hi guys, I'm Rachel from the Feedfeed and today I'm here with Prairie Organic and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sweet pea cocktail. What I love about Prairie Organic is that as a part of their mission, they donate 1% of all of their sales to the Rodell Institute through their Spirit of Change Fund, which helps farmers farm organically. To start off, I'm going to add some of these sweet peas into a glass and then add my honey syrup right inside there. Then we're going to get a muddler and gently muddle all these peas till they're kind of like chunky. One thing I really like about this drink is that the sweet vegetal flavors of the peas go really well with the melon and creamy flavors of the vodka. So once we have this little kind of pea and honey syrup mash, it's time to add our citrus. So I have half a lemon that I'm gonna squeeze in here. Make sure you get all of those beautiful citrusy notes in there by squeezing it really well. And then I'm just gonna mix it really quick. And then we're gonna build our cocktail. So now I'm gonna measure out the vodka and pour it into our pea mixture. Prairie Organic is also a pioneer in their field, and they were the first USDA certified organic spirit brand. So that is an amazing fact. I'm going to take this delicious mixture and use my trusty old strainer to pour this over our ice in our cocktail glass. So you can see it has a beautiful light green kind of spring summer color. I absolutely love that. Then we're gonna top this with just a little bit of seltzer. It's gonna add a nice little carbonation, a nice little bite to this drink, and it just makes it so much more refreshing. And then of course I'm gonna finish with some lemon slices and a nice big sprig of mint. So I like tapping my mint to release all of those oils. I actually learned that from my husband, he's a bartender. And then we're just gonna stick it in here. And here we have it, a delicious, beautiful sweet pea cocktail. Perfect to enjoy during happy hours. Let's try it. All right. It is not too sweet, which I love. You get a nice whiff of the mint, and you can really kind of taste the creaminess of the vodka, which, you know, usually when I'm like drinking vodka and if it like tastes too vodka-y, I don't enjoy that. I love that about Prairie, that it just is so easy and smooth to drink. And this also happens to be one of their most popular spirits. So they have other flavors such as cucumber, they also have gin, they have some flavored mixed drinks, but this one is my favorite. What makes Prairie so special is that they know the source of every ear of corn that goes into their bottles. And this corn usually comes from small family farms in Minnesota that are committed to sourcing the best ingredients, they are sustainable, and they really take care of the process. And I also love that Prairie Organic doesn't use any pesticides at all and is gluten-free. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how to make this delicious sweet pea cocktail. If you want the recipe, go to thefeedfeed.com and I will see you again next time. Cheers.